Hello, it's Christmas time. Let's sculpt quick such a little Christmas tree. Okay, Nomad sculpt. This is the goal. Okay, I start with a new scene and we don't need the sphere. Perspective off, lock off, and we need a primitive, the UV sphere. Turn the wireframe on and in the topology you can change here the divisions, the division X, for example, to 10. And we start with a star and the Y division to 0. Then it looks like this, like a diamond. With the green dot we can make it a little bit flatter. And we change to the top view and we can validate this object. In the symmetry, turn off the X-plane and use the radial Y, a count of 5 because we have 10 corners, and use the move brush. And here you can now yes, this is a star. We can rotate it a little bit in this direction, I think. And we can paint it. Let's make it gold. Okay, this is the first object. Again, we need the UV sphere. And we can use the rotation, snap it to 90 degrees and rotate it. Oh, we are in the top view. That's correct. We don't have to rotate. The UV sphere. And here we change also the topology 10. And the Y, yes, about this, and validate the object. These are the branches of the tree. The same thing for the symmetry, radial 10 at the moment. And the move tool, smaller radius. And here you can bring now the divisions here, or in a position like this. And it's also possible to use the project tool. Sorry, I hide the star in the background with a line, and here shape, rotation 90 degrees, and here project it in this direction. We can adjust the divisions here a little bit, like this. And we can scale it a little bit. Something like this. We can also bring this here in in a position like this to make it a little bit more like this. Okay, let's paint it green. And now we clone this object, move it a little bit down, and we can use the gizmo like this, and clone it again. Nice. And it's also possible when we select the objects and use the radial symmetry again, but now with a division of 5. And now it's possible to create here such oh, we have to change the divisions. To create a little bit more variations. Division 5. Okay, and then we need the, I think the trunk is the word. There we use a cylinder. And change the size. And in the topology we can set the radii. This is the start and this is the end. And we can change the topology here. We need only 12 is okay. And in this direction, not so much. And when you change to the solo view, you can validate the object now and use again the radial symmetry, and we have a count of 12. And we can use now the move again with active symmetry. We can bring here the divisions a little bit here. And now we change the count to 6 or 5. Let's use 6. Too big. Like this. Paint it brown. Paint all. Oh, let's make it a little bit bigger, like this. I think it's okay. And then we need our star. In the solo view, we can rotate the star. Snap is active. Turn snap off and bring it nice in the front view. And you can use the world orientation of the gizmo to bring it here in this position. Scale it. Okay. And then we need to a decoration, I think. I like to paint a little bit more. Paint such a, yeah, I use a subdivision more. In multi-res, subdivide again. I use a flat subdivision. So, and then we can a little bit like this. And then we add a UV sphere again. Change the post, not the post subdivisions, the divisions here. I think 10 is okay. Change the size. And at the left side there's a pivot function. Bring the pivot here in position at the top. And we can paint it. Metalness, okay. And you can validate the object now. And when you choose now the insert tool, instance is active. Here you can now place your, we have to change the rotation of the pivot. Go to Gizmo, pivot, use the snap function, and you can rotate now the green arrow in this direction. And use again the insert tool. And here you can now place your, I don't know the word, spheres. No. And here. Turn the wireframe off. I think this sphere we can hide. Not this. This one. And now with post-processing, yeah, I think this is a nice setting. And we can bring in a normal sphere. Sorry. We can make it flat. Yes, now the tree has a nice ground. This is a Christmas tree. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.